Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig playing with bubbles. Let's start with Peppa Pig. First, I draw her nose. Then, I draw her face with two little ears and cute eyes like this. Next, I draw her rosy cheeks under her eyes and a big, happy smile. After that, I draw her body. Look at her arms. She's holding something. Oh, it's a bottle of dish soap. Dish soap mixed with water makes the best bubble solution. Now I'll draw her tail and her two legs. She's wearing boots just like this. Right here, I'll draw a bucket to hold the bubble solution. Now it's time to draw George Pig. First, I draw his nose. Then, I add to little ears, his cute eyes, and an open mouth. He looks like he's saying, ah. Next, I draw his legs and his curly tail. George is also wearing boots, just like his sister. Finally, let's draw a big bubble just like this. Now, I'll use a black marker to make the drawing stand out. Let's color it together. First, I'll use light pink to color their skin like this. Do you like playing with bubbles at home? It's so much fun. But remember, be careful not to spill the bubble solution on the floor or your clothes. Next, I'll color their noses and cheeks pink. For Peppa Pig's dress, I'll use red. Then, I'll color her boots yellow. I'll also use yellow for the dish soap bottle. I'll color the bucket orange. For George Pig, I'll color his outfit sky blue and his boots red. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.